liked about mine the most was in the summertime, I sweat when I'm in my wheelchair. And so mine actually has a dryer. It has a washer and a dryer for your business. And so, you know, when I come up, I can probably clean this place on me, you know.
That's pretty good, Murray. So it's a bidet.
I thought I had a little more information than you really needed to know.
No pictures of that?
It's a
We went
washer
to
dryer
visit
in the back.
Murray. We stopped there, and I said, "May I use your bathroom?" And he said, "Oh yes, use this one, use this one." And I went in there and I closed the door and I looked at it and I was just like, I didn't know how to use it. It's really a toilet.
It's a deluxe model. Yeah.
You need a user's guide. Okay, Murray, go on. I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem. Anybody that's actually going to modify their bathroom, just make sure that you do it in code with you see a lot of wires on the wall behind here. Any plug-in that I put in my bathroom is the GFI, you know, the circuit breaker type. And I didn't really need one on the back wall here, up on the top where you see that little black box. But we put one anyway up there. I just said, I don't care. And, you know, I don't really, you know, okay, a healthy person can jump off the toilet if he gets zapped. Me, I'm just going to sit there and electrocute it. You know, so I just give me CIF, whatever those things are all the time. So,
Yes.
yeah. All right, do you want to go to the other picture?
Okay, on this one, you can see that the rail keeps going around, so we're going to pan around to the other side of the bathroom where his bathtub is now. And,
right.
He can come in and sit down in this harness and be taken any place in that bathroom. So now we're going to, okay, we're looking straight into the bathtub with the door closed.
Right, and this is, I'm backed into my walk-in closet with my wheelchair taking this picture. And you can see the fan in the other picture and the fan on the right-hand side in this picture, basically in the same position. So here I put in a bunch more grab bars all over the place, you know. I mean, those things are really cheap, and they're just, you know, like, hey, just put them in there. If you never use it, except for that one time you needed it, you know what I'm saying?
You can't have too many grab bars.
That's right, that's right. So, so I've got this U-shaped track that comes around and literally puts me in here, and I did that because this toilet is one of those walk-in toilets. I'm not going to tell you what make the toilet is, and the hand towel there is covering up the make of it. Because I really don't want to trash the company, but be very, very careful when you buy these walk-in toilets from companies. You want an American company or whatever, but somebody that will do business in America or in whatever country that you're in, you know, so that you're not just, you know, they blew through here a couple of years ago, haven't been able to talk to anybody, blah, 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 and this is broken and that's broken. You know what I'm saying? So just be very careful. They're expensive. This one cost me $14,000, but it came with the whole corner. They actually, that window used to be, well, it still is, a 6-foot window. And what they did was they framed in up to the top 2 feet. Framed it all in and made it part of the wall. And they do all that and frame in this other wall. And they'll hook everything up and stuff like that, except for the electrician and the plumber, because they want the final, okay, a qualified electrician did it for the hookup and a qualified plumber did it. But it has air bubbles in it, which is good for your circulation stuff. It's an automatic, so what I do is I fill it up and press the button, runs for 30 minutes, shuts itself off. So I basically have a bath for, well, I don't know, 45 minutes or whatever, because I have a bath while it's filling up. And while it's painting, obviously, you can't get out of it until it's empty. So, but these are great. The only problem with them here, now on the East Coast, it's a little bit different because your bathroom floors are usually not in your basement, so you have room to sink it in the floor if you need to. So you can drop down that 6 inches and walk directly into your bathtub. Here is a 6-inch step up. Well, guess what? None of us can step up.
Yeah.
So that was the purpose behind the lift, was to help me in there, and all I do is lift my legs a little bit and in I go, plop myself down. So I've got the handle of the shower on the base here on the bottom. You can see that I can stick it up for normal people, just stick it up on that one bar, and there it is. It's perfect. I don't have a shower curtain because everything in the bathroom right now, except for way up above everything, is waterproof. So you know, I'm not really worried if a little bit of something gets wet. It's not a big deal. So I decided not to go to the shower curtain altogether.
So,
yep.
So
Go ahead.
if anybody is interested in a walk-in bathtub, call Murray and he'll tell you what not to buy. We can't mention the name at a public conference, but he will definitely tell you what not to buy. Okay, Murray, what's next? We got this one covered?
Okay, well, I've pretty well built my house. I've got, you know, I've done little other things and stuff like that around the house, but those little grab bars and stuff, I've got them everywhere. I mean, you can't have enough of those either. They're $9. Yeah. You know, so, I mean, you can buy yourself a whole basket full of them and just throw one in every room where you're sitting and stuff like that. I mean, you can only have half a dozen at the most anyway, but, I mean, they're just terrific. Okay, you want to go to you want to see the 3 crypts first?
Yeah. Where are we going?
Wait.
What? Go back?
For those who don't know Murray, he's sitting there in the front with the glasses in his shirt.
Oh, yeah, you got the crypts there?
What?
Yeah, this is the whole group. This is
The whole group?
holding the check for
Something.
28? No, what's that check? I can't read that
Oh,
check.
that's your golf group?
This is the golf group.
Oh.
And, okay, you got the whole group there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the whole group.
$20,750 these people raised.
Wow.
For the golf group.
Whoa! Yeah, this is the whole group. So you want to talk to us a little bit about it?
That's the